What's going on, everybody? David Mitz here, and my lovely wife Velbaria.
And we're foamers.
Yes, we are Foamer, and we're here. You want to say
At
it?
Rollins Edwards Community Center.
Because today we're here at the Summerville Model Train Show.
Yep.
So we'll see you guys when we're inside.
Okay.
Okay, everyone, we're now in, and look at all this. Oh, that's cool. Look at all this. Got a little bit of a kit right here. Beer can tank. The HO section. There. Hey, Belly Poo! Wave the camera! But yeah, look at all this. Look at all this. Yeah, a little bit of a case. Yeah, R.I.P. to KCS. Heck. Look at all this right here. Here, the O scale. Look at it. Ah, a little bit of the garden railroads. Excuse me. And there's some in scale over there, but yeah. Look at it.
I think that's me.
HO. Look at that tank. Oh wow. Excuse me, man. Got some O scale right there, and in scale. But look at all this right here.
That's the Charleston show's not on my board. That's
Look at all this. Yeah, we're going to be around buying the model railroad train. But yeah, look at all this. Oh wow, the in scale right here. 3D printed.
Yep.
That is nice. I'm not going to lie about that. But yeah. Look at all this. Pretty cool. But yeah. Oh, this is old right here. Old right here. American Flyer. And a little bit of Lionel. But yeah. How do you feel, Val?
I have a favorite. Special Soldiers, but full of NASCAR cars.
I know.
Look. This beautiful thing right here.
Val's own.
Military soldiers.
I see.
Mine is a military special soldier themed model. So it's some die cast. So this is a perfect investment.
I see Valley too. Look at all this.
Exactly. They're not going to trade that.
But yeah. Look at all this. Yeah, I recognize. Yeah, that's cool. But yeah, check this all out. Oh, we got them in scouts up right here. some in scale, some HO. But yeah. So check all that out. Vela found what she wants to get. We have the magazine at home. Did a whole live stream review on it. Pretty good. But yeah. Vela called me 1 minute. Like what? Excuse me, guys. Excuse me, ma'am. Look what value you got.
Special soldiers.
I see. Yeah. Some O scale. And here the N scale sub. Right here. Look at this. We remember all of this. Excuse me. But yeah. Excuse me, ma'am.
50-inch.
But yeah. But yeah, look at all this. Good. Look at all this. Now I will be right back when I buy what I'm going to buy for in scale and some of the other stuff. So be right back. All right, everyone. I finally got the in scale train stuff that I wanted. Look right here. But yeah. And here value too. But yeah, but we got our in scale train stuff, which I'll tell y'all what I got when we get home. But yeah, we're having a good time. Bought the in scale train. Val bought her stuff. But yeah, look at all the garden trains. But yeah, it's a pretty good day. First time I bought them in scouts up in a long time. So yeah, they're pretty good. But I'll see y'all in a few minutes. Okay, everyone, there's one more area I missed, and it's right here. Completely missed the area. But yeah, check all this out. Pretty cool. But yeah. Oops, excuse me. But yeah, but check all this out right here. But yeah, pretty cool. I'll talk to you all in a few minutes. Hey guys, there's one more area I did forget right here. So I completely forgot the module train set.
How can you forget the module train?
Too busy buying in scale.
You had a real camera.
I do what I can do with. Am I right?
Staying totally out of that.
And here one of the Z scale right here, the Canadian Pacific, and our little Japanese model. But yeah, but look at it. They're running passenger trains on it right now. We got a Southern Pacific train coming in. It in scale right here. And here. A little bit of a Star Wars theme. the DRT tracks right here.
I don't know the date. Just wait for Ted. He knows the rest. So you can hang out for a minute. Yes, sir. You know where the train club is? Yeah. I know. It's direct. Is it right across?
You're right across.
Okay, so it'll be right across. And I know it's January. But if you wait a couple minutes, Kevin will be back.
More cooler cars.
Because
Oh, look at that.
honestly,
That's
I'm not
cool.
part of that club, but I think it's just. And it's an empty store space right across from the club.
Excuse me.
Oh, yeah.
But yeah. But yeah, it's pretty cool, but I'm probably going to get ready to get something to eat for me and Val, so we'll see you when we're grabbing something to eat. Okay everyone, me and my lovely wife Val are going to buy some food now. We got this little piggy. Nice. But yeah, it's starting to rain again. Thank a lot from the tropical storm, but yeah, but we're grabbing some nice food. You hungry?
Yeah, I
But we enjoyed ourselves. Look what Val got.
am. Soldier stuff. Cars, more on cars, more on cars.
And you guys seen my bag in
HO
still.
scale.
Not HL,
Mine
in.
is HO. Mine is HO.
Yours is, but mine in scale.
King of N scale.
But yeah. But the rain is starting to come down, so we are going to get some eat, and then after that, we're probably going to head home. Am I right?
Yep. I want to have a picture here one day, though.
We will. But yeah. Okay, guys, we're back inside. The food was good, and it was from this little piggy. They make them nice pulled pork. So yeah, they were good. So yeah, and here saying if y'all want to see their website, go up. But it was amazing. I also bought an extra in-scale card, so total of in-scale roll stock I bought today is about 10. So yeah, pretty good. Also, shout out to also shout out to someone that I know that actually goes to my Walmart. So yeah. So Valley Poo, you enjoyed yourself?
A lot.
But yeah.
Oh, NASCAR
She really,
stuff.
Val with her NASCAR. But yeah, we enjoyed ourselves, but the model trains are about to end, so we are going to get ready to go, so we'll see y'all when we get home.
Okay.
Alright everyone, we're back home. And Val, did you enjoy yourself?
Yep. Absolutely.
We'll be going to another train show in January. But yeah, it was Val first train show, which I know you enjoyed yourself.
A lot. I did enjoy it. I did enjoy it a lot.
So yeah, but this is what Val got from her haul right here. A bunch of HO stuff and a lot of Hot Wheels stuff.
And military stuff.
And military stuff because today is Veteran Day. So yeah.
And I got a free telephone pole.
Oh yeah, Val got those for free.
Yep. And also my theme here is more on cars and mixing up with the World War II-ish dark side, you know? Plus, the last thing I brought was from the black couple. Something that he said that I can't let go of, which is this nice helicopter.
True. Now, here is what my haul was. I got 10 in-scale freight cars in rolling stock. Got some in-scale cupware and trucks. About 3 of them. For a couple of the cars. So, yeah. So, it's crazy, but I got 2 more tankers. I got a couple more covered hoppers, a boxcar, and mostly some gondolas. So, yeah.
Cool.
So, my watcher of rolling stock have been getting bigger. But yeah, but Val, did you enjoy yourself?
Yep, and look at this. I got a Cars diecast right here, the color blue.
That's actually from the movie Cars now.
Yeah, it's a diecast from Cars. Not Lightning McQueen, but someone else. It looks so cute. It's my color. And also, they got my favorite color too. Look at these.
Yeah, all the Hot Wheels up Val got.
Yep.
But it's crazy. But we did had a good day. It was very fun, but we enjoyed ourselves. It was Val for model train show. So it was my third ever model train show, but we enjoyed ourselves. Now there is one coming in January 7th at the beginning of the new year, which we're looking forward to that, but we'll probably go to that one. We'll keep you all updated when next model train show we go to.
Yes, ma'am.
But this was a nice haul right here. Look at that. Nice freaking haul from N-Scale to HO to Hot Wheels.
Yep.
That was amazing. But we really did enjoy ourselves. But yeah.
And I'll never forget it because it's also my baptismal anniversary.
That's it. Also, Val baptismal anniversary today.
And I'm supposed to get a cake, but we decided to come over to the train show.
It was a rainy day, but we made do with what we can be. But yeah, it was fun. Now, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and we'll talk to y'all later.